Hey, what's up XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the XRP Ripple coin. What's the current price of XRP? What's the price change in the XRP in this video? I will show you my friends, but before starting this interesting video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. In this time, if we look the latest and currently price of the XRP, so the current situation of XRP is going good, but unfortunately you can see here we can't understand the moves of the XRP this time because the price of the XRP one day pump, second day jump, so nobody can understand in this time the future of XRP. So what should we do in this critical situation? People are so confused, my friends. First of all, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of the XRP is 0.797334 USD dollar. Is the latest in currently price of the XRP Ripple coin. On the other side, you can see here if you look the price changes of the XRP, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing occur in the XRP is going negative. Completely false down occurs in a previous time of the XRP, but now the current situation of the XRP is going positive, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the XRP. You can see here, my friends, in now especially in the last days you can see it falls down and take a jump, again falls down, and now again the prices falls down. But if you look the average level change in the XRP, so I think that the average level change is negative. You can see here gradually start moving upward, sorry, falls down. The average change is negative, so this means that the price of the XRP is going down from the previous last 1 week. From the previous last 7 days, the price of XRP is going down. The price change is negative 2.87%. The price is going down, so you are in the loss from the previous last 1 week. So personally, my friends, I recommendation for all of you is that please it's time to hold, not to sell. And I think that please hold to the last of this month. Anyways, what do you think about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.